decide na this time, congressional seat naman po yung ating ini-aim?
At in term na ako sa Senate sa 2025. And I thought that in Congress I can continue my advocacy sa agriculture and environment. At the same time, I can help my constituents sa kanilang more livelihood projects, infrastructure, housing, and environmental protection, especially flooding.
Ma'am, naging maugong na dapat tatakbo kayong mayor, all of a sudden you change your mind to a congressional.
Kasi nga gusto kong ma-continue yung advocacy ko. Nawo-worried yung mga farmers na iiwanan ko sila. So I thought that in Congress, in the House of Representatives, I can continue that.
Ma'am, may tatlo na kayong kalaban, mga kalaban na nag-file ng COC nila. Sabi nila, something nyo naman daw po sa Las Piñas. Ano po masasabi nyo doon, ma'am?
Okay lang. Hindi ko nga sila kilala eh.
Ma'am, ano po magiging edge nyo over them? Ano po yung magiging edge nyo? Ano po yung advantage nyo?
Siguro yung performance ko.
Ma'am, yung iba niyo po mga kalaban, they kept on saying about ending the political dynasty in Las Piñas and umpisahan daw po doon. What can you say about that?
Hindi naman kami family kami, but it has been done my father since 1963. Pinamana niya sa amin na mahalin namin yung Las Piñas. And I thought it's the memory of my father who really loved Las Piñas when he was alive.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Salamat.
Dahil po,
Naalala ko yung tatay ko.
naalala
What do you
ko,
remember about your dad po, ma'am?
He was a doctor and he became a politician. He really loved Las Piñas. Napakabait at hardworking, and my mom is really the one working to support him because he cannot support himself as a mayor because he's a very honest mayor.
ma'am, paano
Ma'am,
po
so
yung
we can
dalawa?
say na it's a legacy, hindi siya dynasty. It's a legacy.
Kasi talagang ipinamana niya ang unang congressman siya nag-end ang nag-take over as congressman si Manny, and then ang brother niya nag-take over as mayor, which later binigay dun sa aking kapatid.
Ma'am, anong ramdam niyo po ngayon parehong pamangkin niyo yung tatakbong mayor na?
Talagang ganun ang buhay. Ano na yan second generation cannot stop yan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po, ma'am.